I want to play a game. A role-playing game. Welcome to Warhammer Age of Sigmar Roleplay Soulbound starter set. Well, that was a mouthful. Let me just get this foil out of the way. I just want to preface this video by saying that I don't know the rules to the game. This is not a review, but purely an unboxing video. Now, let's get the fundamentals out of the way. This box set is intended for between 2 and 7 players with a recommended minimum age of 14. Also, I would like to mention, if you're curious about this game, then get this starter set. It is cheaper than buying the core book of the game. If the game is to your taste, you can always get the core book later on. So yes, I recommend you start out with this set. Now, the front is some uncredited artwork. And on the back side, we are showing everything we get in the box, but don't worry, I'll go through it all. We have some descriptions. And a price tag. Well, let's get into it. We are greeted by, prepare to begin your perilous adventures in the mortal realm. Read this first. And some dice. They are quite light, there are 8 of them. Personally, I like my dice to be a bit heavy, but each to its own. Yeah. This is the symbol for the number 6. Read this first, you say. We have a description on what's in the box. What is Warhammer Age of Sigmar Soulbound? What do I need to play? How do I play? What is a game master? This is really all the basics. And some descriptions of the different mortal realms. Oh, and we have some a character sheet on the back side. What's next? What is this? Will alter your Oh, it's a character. It's a pre-made character. You have his details, his goals, connection, secrets, gear and currency, his stat line, talents, equipment, notes, combat abilities, attacks, and an explanation for the character sheet. I'm not sure how many characters, pre-made characters there are, but there seem to be a few. Malgrad Dane's son. I probably butchered that name. Pronouns. Okay. I wonder why. Skyrigger. And the same explanation. And our third pre-made character seems to be an Idoneth Deepkin. A female character. If you want to read any of this, just pause the video. Next up we have Dryad, I think. Darash. Kernoth Hunter. I honestly do wonder why they have pronouns in this game. Why is that important? Next we have a priest of some sort, I think. Sanbemir. A war priest of the devoted of Sigmar. Looks pretty cool. A human. Here are his stat lines. Oh, on the back side there's a larger picture of him. Now we have Faltering Light. Discover the truth of what lies beneath Brightspear. I think this is an adventure model. I'll just quickly flicker through this. We have an introduction. Yes, the adventure. So if you intend to play this game, you should probably not read this. This is for your game master's eyes only. But we have some descriptions of some characters. There's a cool looking fire slayer right there. Yeah, this is an adventure, a beginner's adventure. And now we have these tokens. Oops. I believe they're called Metal, Soulfire and Doom. I'm not sure what they're used for, but this is actually one of the reasons I bought this set, because I wanted these tokens to use in the game. I also have the collector's edition of the core rulebook, and if you want to see an unboxing of that, I have a link in my video description. And here we have Brightspear City Guide. A comprehensive guide to the city of Brightspear. And we have a map on the backside of the city of Brightspear. So I'm guessing this is where the starter set is located and where the adventure will take place. I'll just very quickly flicker through this. Yeah, it's description of different locations and some cool artwork. So if you're the GM, you can have an awesome place for your characters to start. There are several chapters and a chapter on threats in the city. And some stat lines for monsters, I suppose. Yeah, everything you need to get started with this game. And last but not least, it seems like we have a map. Oh, the bottom of the box is also a map. Let me turn this around. Great Parch. But there is something here as well. Ooh. Floating city. There is Brightspear. Tempest Eye. Edessa. Hallowheart. I'm not very good at the lore of Age of Sigmar, so I don't know if these places mean anything to you, but well, you get this map at least. Oh, and here is the city of Brightspear once again on the back side of this. And also we get this combat reference sheet, so you know how to fight, I suppose. Here are the actions you can take in combat. Some descriptions on how to attack and what to do when you're mortally wounded and so on. And we also have this rules reference sheet describing extended test, soulfire, doom and metal. Test, opposed test and common test. And we also got this spell reference sheet. I suppose that if you get the core book, you get a ton of spells to reference, but this is just for starters, of course. How to cast a spell. The price of failure. I'm supposing that's a kind of miscast. And there you have it. The very final thing in the box was this Venture into the Shadows in the exclusive Enemy in Shadows Collector's Edition for Warhammer Fantasy Roleplay. And also Soulbound, the core book. And that's it, that's what you get. I'm looking forward to trying this out with my players, and yeah, thank you for watching and happy gaming.